Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice search in Brave. All right. So first up, we need to enable voice input. Okay. So what you'll do is just go ahead and go to the top right, click on three dots or three horizontal lines. Now click on settings. And here, go to the left panel and click on privacy and security, like so. Now go ahead and find sites and shield settings. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down till you find permissions section. Make sure that your microphone is enabled. So click on it. Now enable this one. Okay. And make sure, of course, to select your default microphone. And once that's done, let's go ahead and open up google.com. Hit on enter. And by the way, the voice input or voice search is a site dependent. Okay. Let's say you have Google right here. As you can see, we have search by voice. So if you have this option, so go ahead and click on it and make sure to allow your microphone. Okay. Remember my decision. There are three dots. You can enable this one forever or until you close the site. Okay. Allow. And before you start talking, okay, when you click on search by voice, you should see no internet connection. Okay. And if you get this error, no internet connection, don't worry, you're not alone. Okay, you can go out and try another site or different sites, maybe ChatGPT, that works. Another option is by using the text-to-speech right here under Brave browser. Let's say we're looking for a word, okay? Just press Windows plus H on your keyboard, like so. And as you can see, we now have the Microsoft Speech Services. You just click on the record button or start voice typing. Click on it, and as you can see here, it's now listening. Now you can just go ahead and wait for it. Okay, as you can see here, it's now typing. All right. So again, I'm going to close this one. Windows plus H. What's the color of the sky? I go ahead and hit on enter. That is it. That's how you enable voice search in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.